Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode starts off at the Shongwane household. Ekseni uMashabalala is busy washing dishes there while Uzethu is standing finishing off her coffee. So Uzethu then says to umawake, "Awangibuze nje ukuthi uba i-volunteer lethu elishasha laphana okhambeni clinic, ngibuze." Then uMashabalala then says, "Hayibo, i-volunteer elisha ubani lowo?" Uzethu then says, "Ushobane mnisi." Umashabalala looks confused, like to say, "Kanjani, isn't Ushobane employed?" Uzethu goes on to say, "Cabanga ma." Umashabalala then says, "Shobane, hayibo. Kanjani ntombi zethu, bamkasha kanjani after only giving you a 3-month contract? Ungongozephi vele yena." Hey, bagithi, I thought that they didn't have any job openings at the clinic. Uzethu then says, nami bengizitshela lokhu we mama. Kodwa ke sizothini? Umatron phela, she did say that yena, when she speaks, even the birds outside stop chirping. Umashabalala then says, "Hi Kemtanam, you can say that again. Phela vele yena uzala umatron. Izinto zizomzela kalula. Kodwa nje bangazami mntanam bavala isikhali sakho laphayana ngoba bayongifunda bangiqonde mina." Uzethu then says, "Yaziwe ma, phela umusa weqile angithi." So uthi yena uzovikela uma wakhe, uthi emsebenzini uthathe an extended leave. Mina ngingenza noma yini ukuze ngisebenze la uShobane asebenza khona ngikuxoxela. Ucabanga ukuthi umatron uyasaba, yazi uyaganga. uMashabalala then says, "Hayi, khona mengikhuluma iqiniso mntanami, umatron is not someone that I like. Kodwa be uShobane ungumfana olungile." Uzethu just rolls her eyes, you guys. Mashabalala goes on to say, "Wenze kahle that is here to protect his mother. Uyindoda elungile uShobane." Uzethu then says, "Hayi, uthi uvuka okhambeni kunento entsha okumele ubhekane nayo yo. High shame." She claps her hands once. Mashabalala then says, "Ungakhathazeki mntanami, kuzolunga." Uzethu then says, "Yini ezolunga we mama? Ekhohlakene kanje amadoda? Yini ezolunga? Men are evil. Angifuni ungasho. Actually, men are destructive. Uthi usayincenga impilo uza nayo kahle. A man will come along and cause destruction." uMashabalala is so confused. She's like, "Amadoda, ubalo bani mawuthi amadoda ngoba phela sazi uShobane kuphela la ekhaya." Uzethu then says, "Hayi ngisho wonke mhlabeli jikelele akhohlakele futhi ayaphazamisa futhi yabana mina angifune lutho ezongihlanganisa nawo." So Uzethu can see her mother's like, "Iyaphi le nkulumo? Oh, what are we talking about now?" Uzethu then says, "Hey mama, ngingaze ngishawe isikhathi ngimelana. Let me go put on my shoes and go." And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene ke okhambeni clinic uphindile use front desk, guys. She's on a phone call while she's assisting patients lapan. So she's speaking on the phone and she's like, "Unamanga mpim. Na. Nenzenjani?" So the one patient in front of her, she's busy helping him angazi ngepaperwork or ngefile yakhe. She goes on to say, "Hawu nkosi yami bhuti. Kodwa yini? Babethu," she's speaking to the rest of the patients then. "Ngifala ungakhuluma into eyodwa. Ngithe bhuti, faka ama-details akho lana. Qala ngegama lakho ugcine ngesibongo bese kube ngathi siyanidelela ke. Ngicela wonke umuntu aqale ngegama bese agcine ngesibongo sakhe. Qala uhlale phansi bhuti." She returns to a phone call. "Yampe muthini?" "Hayibo, nathula nathini ninabonakala." "Hawu mpem ngeke. Bokumele nikhulume nibatshana ukuthi nicela i-meeting." As uphindile is busy there on a phone call, umatron then says, "Phindile." Uphindile then says to the person she's speaking to, "Ngizobuya ndikufonele." She switches off the phone. Umatron then says, "Uphindile uphi?" Uphindile runs towards matron. She then says, "Matroni." Umatron then says, "Ungitshele yini lena engizwayo? Uphindile so confused, like, what is umatron speaking about? Umatron goes on to say, "Le oyenza noShobane. Kalokubuza kanjena. Ufunani kumntanami Phindile?" Uphindile, you can see she's scared there. She's like, "Lutho." Umatron then says, Yazi, I heard some rumors that you're trying to start something phakathi kwakho noShobane. Uyakhohlwa ukuthi mina nginey'ndlebe namehlo kuyo yonke le ndawo yaseBergville. Uphindile then says, yebo ma, ngiyazi ukuthi unawo, kodwa angizange ngimenze lutho uShobane. Everyone here eclinic uyazi ukuthi sijwayelene singabangane kuphela. Umatron then says, nijwayelene? Yazi ukuthini? Ngicabanga ukuthi you a smart woman. Uke ume nje uzibheke and imagine uShobane. Awuyona i-type kaShobane wena. Angithi ngisho njalo ama-types. Awuyona i-type kaShobane wena. You're not even the type of girl that he would ask out even if he saw you in the streets. Ngisho noma sekukhona akushizo kuwena. You should know. Vele ungumfana. Mhlampe naye ufuna ukuzijabulisa kabili kathathu emva kwalokho ebese yakulakaza laphayana. Yilokho kuphela. Uphindile, guys, you can see she's so heartbroken because she has a big crush on uShobane. Uphindile just says, yebo matron. Umatron then says, khumbula futhi, wena uyi-receptionist. Futhi ngiyawathuka ama-receptionist. Wena ungumabhalana wena. Uyabazi laba abadala ababebhala ngepeni ephepheni. Because you don't even know how to use ukusebenzisa computer. Mhlambe awuthi lento ngithi uyibhekisise ngqondweni yami. Dr. Shobane Mnisi, Steve Biko Hospital. Bese wena ngiyadonsa laphayana ezansi umabhalana ozama ukuzikhuphula. I don't even want to visualize what I'm picturing. Hlukana nendodana yami wena. Otherwise sizodudulana ngeyipho. Usukhohiwe yini? Ngingukhathazile mina. Inhlobo zakho ziyangiasula. When you want imisebenzi, you run up and down endumbeni kaSifiso nigijima namabhakede niyogeza emfuleni. Once nathona imisebenzi bese niyafika la nizoshintsha ikliniki yami niyenza i-date my family. That time, guys, all the patients are listening how umatron is giving. Unokhuzana uphindile. Umatron goes on to say, yey wena wentombazane, ngiyakhuza. And she just walks off. Uphindile is left there wiping her tears, guys. Yeah, this woman is brutal. Anyway, next in Shwabi, guys. Shwabi is at his tavern. He's busy drinking some whiskey. Unga is so excited. He's still excited over the concert. He's busy. Khazelu Shwabi wuthi bokulithi kanjani. Kodwa uShwabi umbheke ngelinye ilihlo, man. Like to say wuthi, wena, are you doing something with my wife or what? Are you trustworthy or not? So Shwabi then says, yeah, ke mfana wakwaHlongwane. Unga then says, yebo bra Shwabi. uShwabi then says, kuthiwani kambe? Nomzane, handyman. Unga ahleke. uShwabi then says, uthi bokunjani? Unga then says, econcertini. Oh, nkosi yami, mphathi wami. Uyabona laphayana bokumnandi. Wonke umuntu was just so free. Ngapha basizalela umculo othanda ngabantu. Hayibo, the bass. It was so good. However, it was loud. I could feel it in my chest. Oh, kodwa noMangobo ngalana nkosi yami bebajabulile. uShwabi then says, yey wena, angikhulumi ngaleyo nto mina. Ngikubuza ngoMangobo ukuthi ebenzani, ekhuluma nawubani, enzani nabani. Unga then says, hayi wena mphathi wami. uMangobo was right next to me the whole time. Uhambe when she went to go and buy iphuzo. Wangenela inini, you know ke abantu besifazane how they are around each other. Ziyathanda ukuzijabulisa, zixoxa nje, and they enjoy themselves. uShwabi then says, manje yindaba, nithathe isikhathi eside ukubuya ekhaya. Unga then says, hey, traffic, brushwabs. It was as if we had left the same time as everyone else. Waba ingeke sihlalile laphayana. We spent almost an hour in the parking lot unable to move. Kunzima. There was bumper to bumper traffic. Hey, buyinkinga enkulu nje. But you can see that uShwabi, he just wants Unga to tell him maybe was uMangobo busy with other men, but Unga is not catching on. Unga is busy excited. Uzixoxela ngeconcerti. Mara uShwabi akekho lapho. So uShwabi looks at him. Zakwengaraj. Unga then says, yebo bra Shwabi. uShwabi then says, angithi uyazi, ulanga libalele lo, uyisiphalaphala sentokazi. Uyakwazi lokho angithi. Unga then says, yebo, athi yena muhle. UShwabi then says, ngakho-ke mfanam, angicabanga ukuthi ungaba nemicabango engasile ngaye. Angikaze ngikubone mfanam uyisiphukuphuku somfana. Unga then says, Prashwabi cha, I would never, ngeke ngikwenze nje lokho, ngeke. UShwabi then says, kuhle-ke mokunjalo, ngoba mfanam, ngiyawethemba, yezwa? Unga then says, yebo, but Unga can see that, hayibo, lenkulumo. You can just see that UShwabi controls uMangobo. So Unga is starting to get uncomfortable with this whole conversation. UShwabi then says, ingakho-ke, ngifuna ukuthi wena, I need you to keep an eye on her at all times. Siyazwana? Unga then says, injalo. He's just agreeing because he's afraid of uPrashwabi. UShwabi then says, lokho-ke, akusho ukuthi angiwethembe. Ngiyawethemba mfanami. Yikuthi nje, uyabaza abantu besifazane ukuthi banjani. Bahlezi ngaso sonke isikhathi befuna ukunakwa. Nami-ke ngenza nje isiqiniseko sokuthi akekho umuntu who has ungodly thoughts about her. Unga then says, yebo ngiyakuzwa Prashwabi. Ngiyakuzwisisa kahle futhi. UShwabi then says, siyezwana ngithi? Unga then says, yebo. And then the scene just ends like that. Few moments later, okay, in the very same tavern. The tavern is full of guys. They are watching soccer. You know, guys, when men are watching soccer, it's rowdy, raswa tavern. So there's this guy that's sitting there by the counter that uMangobo just served a drink to. So the guy then says, house pala. Ngiyabona uyisebenzi la ekhaya. So uMangobo then says, na mina angisebenzi lana. Guy then says, oh. uMangobo then says, umyeni wami uyi-owner yale ndawo. Usho ukuthi mina ngiyi-co-owner. The guy then says, ngiyakuzwa. uMangobo then says, yeah. Uguy-ke, he reaches into his pocket, guys. Akhiphe u-50 rand. He then says, cala ubambe nakho okuncane. Mawuthola isikhathi nje uzozithengela into ephuzwayo nje. UShwabi is watching all along. uMangobo then says, oh, ngiyabonga. Uguy then says, yes, you are doing such a great job. Uyancomeka. uMangobo was giggling there. She's like, ngiyabonga kakhulu. So the guy gets up, he leaves. When he leaves, UShwabi approaches uMangobo and is irritated. He then says, Mthandeni, ucabanga ukuthi wenzani wena? He? Unga's watching. Guys, every opportunity he sees uMangobo and her husband speaking, he's always eavesdropping. So UShwabi then says, what the hell are you doing? Ucabanga ukuthi mina ngifuna abantu babone ukuthi umkami uthatha ama-tips from amanye amadoda engathi intombazanyana nje yasestradeni. uMangobo then says, ngiyaxolisa. UShwabi then says, yeyi wena, lalela la. Yekela ukungihlambalaza phambi kwabangani bami. Unga, guys, he has his hand over his mouth. You can't believe that he's hearing what unokuzana UShwabi is saying to uMangobo. And uMangobo, she's just standing there, guys. You can see she's scared. UShwabi goes on to say, uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Mike comes over, is like, mashobane, speaking to umganake UShwabi. Because UShwabi is speaking so loud, everyone can hear. Mike then says, yehlisa umoya mfethu. uMangobo just takes a bag, you guys, and she leaves the tavern. Like, to say, why is he embarrassing her? Emkhulumisa ngathi uyingane. As she's walking out, UShwabi then says to uMike, uyambona ukuthi wenzani? Yazi abantu besifazane man. And then that scene just ends like that. Last scene, uZethu is back from work. Ungene endlini. The house looks empty. It looks like there's no one. So as she's sitting down, she hears the gate opening, the burglar gate opening. And she gets scared because the last time she checked, she didn't remember anyone following her. It doesn't seem like she should be expecting anyone ohlala endlini at this time. So she's wondering, and then she hears a knock on the door. So she's scared. She gets up. When she opens the door, guys, we just see uZethu's face is shocked. And then uMusa then says, Sizethu, usizo lwakho. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, uMusa, remember, he ran away from that psychiatric hospital institution what. Why would you want to come to uZethu and implicate uZethu kanjalo? And I really hope ukuthi uZethu does not take him in, or else she's going to get into trouble. Worse, if Shobane finds out, Shobane will make sure that she loses her job le clinic. Anyway, let's pause it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.